What's going on YouTube? So Android here, and today we're going to be doing something pretty cool. As you can see here, this is my new car, and I'm going to be doing one upgrade with it, and that's changing out the regular halogen bulb with the LED. But as you can see, that one is clear, that one is dirty. So we're going to try to see if we can fix that one up. But pretty much all you're going to need a drill, and I have this little pad on it. I have some quick detailer, microfiber towel, chrome or metal polish, and then I'm probably going to be finishing it up with some ultimate compound. I got a little bit of that left. Anyways guys, I'm going to throw you up on my hat and then we'll get to it. Alright guys, so all I'm going to be doing is grabbing my drill, shaking this little bottle here up. I'm going to go ahead and prime the front of this first. Spread this out as evenly as possible. I got my 4 little dabs here, and I'm going to go ahead and dab it just like that, and I'm gonna go to town. Alright, so all the product has actually evaporated. Pad is kind of not primed anymore, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my microfiber towel here and go ahead and wipe it down. Also wipe out the excess on the edges, and we'll see where we are with clarity. The yellow has been gone for sure, but it's a little still hazy. It's a little hazy, so what I'm gonna do another pass with this that compound stuff, and then I'm gonna hit it with that Meguiar's ultimate compound. Gonna go ahead and wipe this one more time. Alright, so we have most of the yellowing out of here. So next thing we want to do is try to get this to a glass-like texture. Right? I'm going to try to hit it with this ultimate compound and see where we go from there. So it's getting a little dry. I hit it with the spray wax there to try to alleviate some of that dryness. Wowee, look at that. That is looking spiffy. I think I'm going to do a couple more passes with that ultimate compound. Alright, so that headlight looks pretty good right now. It's pretty glass, looks almost just like the brand new one. I'm actually going to use this polish with this right here first, and then once I get the, wow, that spilled everywhere. Yeah. There you go. As you can see, the only difference now between that and this one is that this one, it has some imperfections in it, and that's just from rock chips. You can see the clarity on this thing. Beautiful. It looks so good. Cleaning your headlights can turn your car around 180, man. It can make it or break it. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.